So viewers, today we are learning a unique dish. We are going to make ladyfinger with a lobster's tail. Sounds yummy already, right? So it's a quite a unique dish. I'm very confident not many of you have tried it before. And when it comes out really yummy. And we started with one large onion. We cut it finely. It's chopped into like small pieces, and we have put 2 large spoons of coconut oil. So I'm cooking it in coconut oil. Feel free to use any other oil that you like. And my goal is to get this onion to about medium brown. First step has already started. I'm keeping my flame at medium, and I'll keep on briefing you as the next steps follow. So our main ingredient is lobster. This is imitation lobster if you could find, and frozen one, and if you could find fresh lobsters, that would be great. I'm using 6 lobster tails. Then our second main ingredient is ladyfinger, also called okra or bindi. Amazing taste it gets. It has to be cooked in a certain way, which we'll share with you shortly. If you could find fresh okra or ladyfingers, cut them into medium to small size pieces. And then lastly, the ingredients for taste are salt. This is teaspoon, approximately 3/4. Then half a teaspoon of garlic powder, some cilantro and parsley flakes. Then we have minor quantities of black and red chili powder. And then lastly, for fragrance, we are adding cinnamon. We'll show you shortly how are they mixed up. So as you could see, our onion has turned brown as we had originally hoped. As soon as it turned brown, we have added into it the ladyfinger, and I'm going to now mix it. As you mix it, the main goal is to make sure that the brown onion goes around the ladyfinger as much as possible. I've got these frozen chunks, so I will need to break them up slowly. You do not want to break the ladyfinger, you just want the onion and oil to go around it as evenly as possible. And then at this stage we will leave it as it is. We will not cover it up. We will just leave it as it is for a bit more, so that the ladyfinger fries in this onion oil paste. So now, as you can see, our ladyfinger has fried a bit in the oil and onion. So I'm going to add now our masalas. So everything, salt, chili, garlic, everything goes in. So I'm going to mix the ingredients to evenly spread the masalas around ladyfinger. It's already beginning to get a color, which is very nice. I hope is that everything becomes finely spread around, like in a single paste as much as possible. While ladyfinger is cooking in the other pan, I've put our imitation lobster in the frying pan, and with the lobsters I've added maybe 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and our goal is to get these lobsters fried a bit evenly from all sides. So I will be flipping it around like that. So now I'm going to add some tomato paste. I'll be probably using about 5 spoons here. This tomato will give it a wonderful gravy in the end, plus a reddish color. So our goal is to spread the tomatoes again around the ladyfinger to get us as evenly as possible a paste. And I'll now give it maybe 3-4 minutes until the tomato paste begins to form like a mixture sort of a position. So as you can see, our paste is beginning to form, getting a curry-like consistency, which is nice. Still needs some more time to cook, but it's getting there. So now at this stage, we are going to add our lobsters in. So lobsters are going to in. Just like before, we are going to mix them up so that the ladyfinger and the masala, they go around the lobsters and begin to form like a consistent paste around the lobster. And at this stage I will cover it, and maybe I'll leave it covered for about 3-4 minutes. I'll see you shortly. So we are at about 3 to 4 minute mark. It's beginning to get in shape. The curry, if you look closely, the fried oil is getting through the curry into the lobsters, similarly through the ladyfinger. So that's the goal, that's what we want. And at this stage I'll move it around a little more so that all sides mix up equally. And in order to save from excessive dry, I'm going to add some water. We do not want it runny, we want it dry in the end, but this is the interim phase. I just want it to be like not excessively fried in oil only. This water will help develop taste, but it will eventually vanish. I'm going to cover it, leave it for about 5 minutes, and then I will. We are at our 5-minute mark. I'm going to take a look. Yeah, it's sizzling very well. Everything is mixed up. It's almost done. I'm going to move the upside down. Yeah, like that. And I'm going to cover it for another 2 minutes, and then we will be finally done with it. It's looking extremely yummy already. The texture, the color, the fragrance, and I'm sure taste will be lovely as well. So getting back to you in about 2 minutes. I'll keep it covered at about medium heat. So I've switched off my stove a short while ago. Let's see how does it look like. So the cooking has been done. Everything looks like a singular thing. It's like you have ingredients that are clearly separate, but they are cooked in such a way that the paste is unifying them together, and it's looking so lovely. The color is absolutely amazing, combination of green, red, brown, etc. And the fragrance is mind-blowing right now. It's all over the house. And I'm going to serve it in a plate shortly, but just wanted to give you an overall overview of the cooked dish. Our ladyfinger lobster paste is fully ready now. It's looking absolutely yummy. The color is really magnificent. It just looks a combination of green and red and brown and a few other colors in the middle. They look so nice and beautiful. And the taste is totally remarkable. Fragrance is spread all around the house, so the guests, they would love it, hopefully. Here's one other presentation, and the lobsters and ladyfinger paste, it's just looking very nice. The taste from lobsters and ladyfingers have mixed up, and all of the masalas are giving it a great aroma. And overall, we hope that your guests and your family, if you are, or yourself, you would love this taste. If you like this video, please do subscribe to this channel. We'll bring you more recipes this in the future. Thank you for watching this video.